Hi all, Fat Andy here. Right, we've got a beer. £1.36 from Asda. Just put my glasses on a minute. I see this now. This, I believe, is actually brewed in France. It's 5.5%. It's a 500ml bottle, as you see there. I think you can see that. Yeah, and that's a French lager. Now, I haven't had this before, and I haven't seen it before. Now, I don't know how you pronounce this. Champignoules, I don't know. Somebody might be good at French, but there it is on there. I got no bloody idea. But, you know, let's take a closer look at it anyway. It's Continental Lager French. Right, there it is. Rhine Giberes. Is that? I don't know. My French isn't that good. Knows me English already. Yeah, there it is. Champignoules. I don't know how the hell you say it, but anyway, that's sitting new on the shelf anyway. Continental Lager, Brassier in France. Right, okay, that's as far as my French go. Right, so this is what it says on the back there, which to me looks to be all in French anyway. I read know your limits, but this is what we're getting. This is 5.5% ABV, as you can see. And yeah, it looks like it's brewed in France to me. That's what I was checking for anyway. So 5.5% ABV. Let's just get into it, I think is the best thing. Anybody can let me know if they've tried this one before. That's said new on the shelf. I haven't, and I haven't seen it. So yeah, we'll give this a bash. Let me get it opened. Right, we've got the top off. Smell all right. 5.5%, £1.36. Let's see what this is like. Got the old beer in Moretti glass again. Let's let that settle a bit. Yeah, it's sitting new on the shelf, so I thought, right, let's go for it. You know, pick it up and try. I've got a little bit left in the bowl. I'll just let that settle a bit, that head. Turn that round now so you can see. Nice golden colour that is, lovely. Not too dark, I don't know, it might be my hands making that look dark there. That is, look, as you can see. Yeah, looking quite nice. Nice bit of nucleation coming up the glass there. Plenty of bubbles. We'll see if this is gassy. Certainly smells nice anyway. So I thought 136 for a 500ml bottle, doesn't seem too bad to me, to be honest. And that, but yeah, let's give it a go. Oh, that's all right. 136 a bottle. Not got bad flavour actually. Nice little bite to it. Nothing too overpowering, but it's a 5.5%. Yeah, that's very good. That's a little bit gassy, but that's not right. I'm going to try to. I find right things like Budweiser, which I don't really like, to be quite honest, and even in just the ordinary Carling, sometimes you pour them out, you'll drink them, and then you have that little bit of gas in it, but you don't really get a bit of flavour through it. I don't anyway, that's just me. I know there's millions of people drink bloody Carling, but I just think that's rubbish to me, do you know what I mean? That's not like that at all. That's, yeah, that is a little bit, you feel the old gas in it a bit, but you got a nice little bite to it, nice little taste to it, if you know what I mean. That's not a real strong bite. That's quite refreshing, that. Now, a lot of people, I've seen them sort of just tip it and pour it, and so we don't get any bubbles in it, and try to get the gas out of it. I don't like mine like that. I like the head on it, a bit of nucleation in it. You know, you can have a good belch later, can't you? That's my theory anyway. But that's really nice. Nice flavour to that for a 5.5%. I could do a few of them, I'll be honest with you. And I think for 136, that is not a bad price for a 500ml bottle. Score wise, that's got to be a good 8.5 out of 10. Good 8.5, I think. Even pushing towards a 9, but I'm going to stick with 8.5. Anyone know how to pronounce that, let me know. I mean, I could go into Google and ask them, but yeah. Might be some French followers on here. But yeah, that's it. Asda. £1.36. New in, like I said, new on the shelf. Give it a go. That's all I can say. I'll give it a good 8.5 out of 10. I think that's very, very nice. Now that now is lovely. That ain't so gassy, if you know what I mean. I think that's just that initial Sky News again every time. Bloody thing. I'll take it off my phone, I think. I think that's the initial, when you first pour it, obviously that's settled and that's all carbonated up and everything. And that's what you get, that first swig of that's quite fizzy. But that ain't now, that's gone lovely now, it's settled. Beautiful. Got a nice little bit of nucleation coming up. But absolutely fantastic. 8.5 out of 10. Right, thumbs up if you like this. Give your comments below. Let me know, have you tried it? I say it says new, but I don't know. That's what it says. I never tried it. But I certainly be having that again because that's very nice for a 500ml bottle at 136. Ain't a bad price. Whether the price go up, I don't know. Later on down the line. But yeah, certainly very nice, especially around the barbecue and that. That's all I can say really. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so to help the channel. And we'll hopefully catch you lovely people in the next one. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Lovely that. See you later. Cheers.